What's in your water bowl, bro? That's where water came from. Look out, buddy, look out! While setting up the water dropper and the laser, I accidentally noticed something scary. The light ended up pointing over here at the cup, and you'll see that it changes here. There, oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, as cool as that may look, it's really scary and dangerous. It is burning a hole right through, yikes. So if it can burn a hole through plastic that easily, imagine what it can do to your eyeballs. That was just a couple of seconds. All right, STEM friends, I came across another cool science hack. So here I have a laser pointer that I discovered if you point it at a drop of water, and as it goes through the water, it refracts up onto the wall and magnifies what's inside the drop of water and creates a shadow of the organisms that are in that water. The videos on YouTube suggested a dropper or a syringe, and I don't have that, and you probably don't either, but I do have straws. And I remember if you put the straw down in a liquid and you cover the top, it creates a vacuum which pulls up the water, and then if you lift, it drops. Of course, I just folded this over and taped it shut, pinched it pretty tight there. And now I've got a dropper. When I put this in here and I squeeze, it soaks up some of the water, and when I squeeze again, it comes out. But I don't want that. I want that little drop to hang down. And when you give it a gentle squeeze, a little drop of water, because of water tension, hangs on, creating that sphere or convex lens. Convex likes to flex, make things look bigger. This is amazing. It's still hanging there after it's been a couple hours. I just happen to have this clamp device here that held it. I've seen other ways to do it. This is also handy because it pinches, which creates pressure and pushes the water down to make the sphere that we need for the lens.
All right, we've tried water from our dog's water bowl. Now let's try water from our neighborhood pond.
Ooh, creepy organisms on my floor. And they're also on the ceiling. Not sure how that happened. It's so creepy how they just appear on the floor. Oh, it's like a jack-o'-lantern. Feels like Ghostbusters.
But with bugs in it.
Oh. It's microorganism dance party.
That's actually kind of scary.
Look at that big one. What is that big thing? What is that? Look at those guys. What is that? Oh, it looks like pointy, like a cactus.
Are those bugs?
They're smaller than bugs.
They're germs.
They're germs, yeah. They're bacteria, maybe. I'm actually not exactly sure.
that
Oh,
you-
see that one?
That is something. Don't drink it, kids.
Don't drink it, that's right. Ooh, that one's got legs. Something. Laser.
And this is only one drop of water.
Yeah.
This
Pond
is
water.
not a whole bunch of it. It's just one drop of water.
Look at the one right in the middle. It looks like it's swimming. Swim,
It's the party dude.
swim.
Friday
There's two of them.
Oh,
So Grace wanted to see what regular water, tap water, would look like from the sink, and for the most part, nothing happened. Okay, I started with what I saw online, hanging between two cups, the little dropper there, setting the laser in front of it, but having to adjust with these cards was really frustrating. So I went ahead and locked down these blocks. I just screwed them onto the board, and then now with these screws here, I can adjust the laser pointer, and I can also block the unneeded light down here so it doesn't get anybody's faces, but it also is shining the needed part really well up on the ceiling. So cool. I can just sit here and just watch. Weird creatures. Whoa.